How to change Facebook page name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the name of your Facebook page. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the menu section, simply scroll down all the way to the button and tap on the settings under settings and privacy. And here, once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the search bar shown in the top right corner of the screen and tap on the search bar and type page setup and simply tap on the first result. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option label name. But before proceeding, ensure that you haven't changed your page name in the past 60 days. And once you have confirmed that, simply enter your new page name. And once you're done with that, simply tap on review changes. And Facebook may take up to 3 days to approve your request and might ask you for additional details. And once your request is approved, for security reason, you will be prompted to enter your password, and once done, you can simply tap on save changes, and that's it. Your new name page will be updated once it's approved. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.